This is the cappuccino tutorial. First thing, I'm going to ask my guests if they'd like a double or a single. Traditionally, cappuccinos work with a double espresso. Grab my shot glass, put it on my tray, press espresso times 2. That's a double shot. I have my cup ready to go. This is going to make a little bit of a noise. Okay. Then you're going to, obviously, as you're listening to this, remember the heart, the body, the crema. Crema is on top. Okay. You would grab your milk. You would ask them what type of milk. So traditionally for a cappuccino, it's whole milk. But let's say they want a dairy-free option. You would use oat milk. Oat milk will produce that foam that we're looking for. Then you would, as you remember the tutorial from steaming, you would steam your milk, remember, to 155. You would just press the default. Okay, I've done that ahead of time. I made 6 ounces of steamed milk and I got some foam on top. If this does not produce as much foam as you want or your guest wants, because some guests will ask for a lot of foam, some guests do not want foam, then you can produce more foam using your frother. Okay, all you got to do is angle and froth it for a little bit of time. The guest needs to know that this will take you at least a minute. Okay, so if they're in a rush, then don't give them as much foam. Okay, so this is done. Put this to the side. So then espresso goes first. I'm gonna use this spoon is going to kind of hold my foam. Put my shot of espresso first, my double shot. The nice thing with the shot glass, your guest really sees the entire espresso, okay, being poured. It's another part of our guest's experience. Tap your milk just so the foam kind of settles a little bit, and then I'm just going to catch it, and I'm going to pour very slowly. Do you see how I'm catching the foam with my spoon? The milk goes all the way up, 6 ounces. Let's say you produce more milk, that's totally fine. Obviously don't fill it up all the way to the top. And then now I'm going to scoop my foam. If you're artistic, you can make latte art. Or during this tutorial, I would definitely recommend practicing some latte art. Otherwise, there's foam up top. Again, if your guest wants a lot of foam, you can give them more foam than that. I'm going to close it with my black lid, and then I'm going to ask my guest if they'd like sugar with it. Traditionally, it's served with sugar, but if they'd like some cinnamon, you can ask. But traditionally, it's just served with sugar or plain. Thank you.